your boy Clay. So we're back here with another video. Okay, this is my friend. He said if I got to 100 views on one of my videos, it would make me something very cool. So we're back here. You care to open it up?
Mm-hmm.
What is it? What is it? A play button. 100 views. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna put this on the wall.
Shut up close so you can see the letters.
Move backwards on me. Yeah. 100 views. See you next time.
I also got this. He probably wasn't listening, but on the phone, I said that once he got to 100 views, I'd give him that and 25 cents in pennies.
I do remember you saying it. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.